What's up, y'all? I just wanted to do the shortest little sound design tutorial today to promote a track that I just released. I put out a whole EP. It's on Spotify right now. It's based off the Hereditary movie. The first track's called Satiny. I'm going to play like a part from a mid drop and then just show a thing that I think that is cool from one of the sound design things that I did for this. So this will be the part that I'm pulling it from.
All I do is worry and slave, and all I get back is that fucking face on your face.
And so we are going to be doing that little bend down growl. That's this part right here. And so this patch is super simple. It's just basically like wavetable modulation with a little bit of distortion, a filter. And then the way that I did this bend down was instead of sustaining the sound out and pitch bending it down, I have a resonator that, as you can see here, I'll turn the bend off. It brings this resonator in. So right here we have the reso delay. So it's turning up the mix on this resonator that I've already pitched to, I'm assuming, the correct note, right? Like, let me go in here and make sure that's what I had it at. Yeah, so it's D5, and then I have the resonator pitched to D5. The decay is way up, so this turns up, it brings the mix on. The intensity's high enough that you can hear the resonator, but not so high that it's like all resonator. And then the decay just stays at this static point, and then this secondary thing that I have, the reso bend, just ever so slightly pitches the resonator down. So it adds a tail and then pitches it down. And it gives it that really cool like pitch bending sound without having to do a bunch of finicking and like doing 5 different versions of the sound where one is long, one is short, one is this, one is that. You can just throw a resonator on it, make sure your note's correct, and then give it a little bend. You could go up, you could go down, you could go all over town. And thank you for watching. Happy Halloween and all that stuff. See y'all in the next one.